another video on Docker tutorials. In this video I will teach you about how you can mount that volumes from the Docker into the outside of the Docker, that means into your local. So mount that volume means is like whatever is generating real time inside your Docker, you can mount that location outside to the Docker, that means in your local system. So how you can do that, I will teach you in this video. So what real time information is like the logs that are coming in real times inside your Docker, but that same log file will not come out uh, in your local storage and outside the Docker container normally. So because this is that logs file and everything is inside the container, you cannot use that outside the container. Okay, so and so logs are like not too much mandatory things. So mandatory things is like maybe you have put that image generation model inside the Docker, and you have to send back that image URL, but you can use that URL from your from the cloud IP only. So for that you have to save that image outside the Docker, right? And other than that, like database backup you can store outside the Docker. If the Docker is gone, then your backup will be there. So things like that you have to put into your safe zone as well. So uh, this is the Docker uh, build command and the Docker run command that we have used in the previous videos, right? As you may know, we have created a Flask app that will use the uh, Olama with Llama 3.1 model, 8 billion that we have deployed in our local system, and we'll use that so through the Docker. So we have used this command to create the Docker image and this command to create the Docker container. So this command you may know, Docker build command for Docker image generation, and Docker run command is for the container. So image we can use the same, and we just have to change into the Docker run command only. So we'll copy that Docker run command. So as you can see right now, the container is running, and I will just delete that container for now. Okay, sorry. Okay, first I have to stop that, then I can delete that. So it is deleted now, and we just have to delete that container and run that run command to just create another container. Okay, so we will just copy that run command, paste it here, and in this run command somewhere we will put -v and then space, and after that space we will put 2 quotes and uh, copy that path, that in which path we want to take that logs. Okay, so let me show you where the logs exist in the Docker first, then I will show you how you can take it back. So for that I will just spin up that container again and go inside that container, docker exec-it olama-api bash. So I will do ls. So there is a logs, right? And if I do this directory, so you can see this directory is not into the local system right now, it is in the container only. So there is a log file present here, olama.log. So that same folder, same file we need outside the Docker as well in my local system. So I will exit that Docker container for now, and just stop that olama API and delete that. and I will just run it again with -v. So somewhere we have to put -v and then space and then quotes. In the quotes, I will put the path on which path I want that logs folder to be there. Okay, so I want the logs folder to be there in my app folder in the logs. So it should be under this folder now. Under this app folder, I want the logs to be there only. So from, and then we will put colon here, and then we will put from path, from where I have to take that folder inside the Docker. Here we will put that Docker, sorry, we will put that local path. Here after the colon, we will put the Docker inside the Docker path. So inside the Docker path, as I can show you as well. So as you know, I have only created the app folder, and you can see like here as well, you can see inside that app folder there is only logs folder. So /app/logs, and then this same logs folder I want in this app folder. So same thing, I will run it here, and as you can see, same folder came outside the Docker as well. So whatever will be in this folder come out, and in this folder in my local system I can use that anywhere. So for this reference, I will run a hit that API once. As you can see, real-time logs are coming, and when I get the output, then real-time output will come here as well. Whatever the logs I have put into the file, same thing will come here. Same as the image generation concept as well. Same, whatever image you will create, when the image will be in the Docker, inside the Docker, same image will come into that here as well in your local system. So as you can see, I got the response, and I got the response here as well. So this is it for today's video. I will create a Docker Compose video as well, and the CI/CD videos as well, so you can learn everything for the Docker and setup. Thank you.